Hello everyone, I am suffering from cracks. This happened in my most recent pour. Do not like those. And this in the pour before, which does have some aesthetic appeal because the cracks go along the lines of the paint. So I think I will treat that one as a feature, but this one's just pointless. I mean, not pointless, ruined, no good, no use in any way, shape or form. So I thought I would do an experiment to investigate possible causes. Now, one of the things is, if you mix different pouring mediums in different paints, that is, one colour would have one kind of pouring medium and another colour would have another, then you may get cracks because they dry at a different rate. But it may also be that the medium that you're using is actually not a good fit for acrylic pouring. Now, the suspect medium in this case is Derivan Matisse acrylic painting medium, thin viscosity binder, which I have been using in some paints and not in others, because I've been using it to thin down heavy body paints. So I had two mixtures here. This one is just ultramarine violet. Obviously this is dried. It would be boring to have shown you me pouring it on. Ultramarine violet mixed with my usual mix of Floetrol and Holcroft pouring medium, plus the Derivan Matisse painting medium. That was supposed to be a DM, but obviously it moved. And the white is Galleria Mixing White mixed with Floetrol Global Pouring Medium and Derivan Matisse painting medium. So this one, the mix has got the additional medium, but both of the colours are the same mix. This one is the same colour, ultramarine violet, mixed with Floetrol Holcroft pouring medium and just water to thin. But this is the same mixing white, which means it has the Derivan Matisse medium. And one thing that you can see even before peeling it off is that we've got these cracks here and here, which indicate to me that those are happening because they're around the edges of the white. I think that was happening because the white was drying at a different rate to the violet. Mind you, you do have something a bit like that here, but most of this is just texture variation, though that might be a crack. I'm not sure. So certainly we have the evidence here that mixing mediums is a no-go. But The other thing that I was wondering was whether the painting medium was making the result more brittle. So we will know that when we peel them off the silicone. So this one is the Just Water Holcroft and Floetrol. So this is peeling quite nicely. It is nice and flexible. And this one is also okay, reasonable. Let's see. Does it break? No. Does it break where it's thinner? Okay, that's interesting. Does this one break? No. No. This is interesting because with some of my other skins, it's sticking to itself. Huh. I've never had that happen before. With some of my other skins, they appear to have been more brittle than usual. But that was also on the thinner part of the skin, so not a full test. However, I think we can conclude that you should not mix mediums. So I shall stop using the painting medium and just use water to thin the heavy body paints, because they are drying at different rates, which means that I need to use up all the ones that I've mixed with the painting medium and then mix new colours, because of course the disadvantage of pre-mixing your paints is that you've got your mixes that you have to use up. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little experiment. I didn't learn as much as I had hoped, or I should say one hypothesis was proved correct and the other hypothesis was not. Okay, see you later. Bye.